Hey there friends, in today's video we're going to be adding a profile to our HBO Max account. It's very simple, let's go ahead and do it right now. Alright, so for this specific video I'm going to be using my web browser. This is going to work very similarly though if you're using an app on your smart TV. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to my account tab. I'm going to click on that and it's going to give us quite a few options over here. What we're looking for is the switch profiles option. Now again, if you're on a home screen and maybe it's asking you to log in to a specific profile, you may have the option right there on your home screen. But for now, if you're already logged in under your profile, we're just going to click that switch profiles option. Now this is going to bring up the current profiles we have associated with our account. And you're also going to see this little plus add adult or plus add kid. Now depending on what type of profile you want to add, this is the button that you're going to click. If it's an adult in the family, then go ahead and click on that. If you're going to add a children's account, meaning you just want them to access kid-friendly shows and not the adult content, this is the button that you're going to choose. So let's go ahead and add an adult today. And you can give it a name. We're just going to do test. And then obviously you can choose a little profile image color. At this point, you only have these little ring options. There's not really any kind of extra picture profiles that are associated. So let's go ahead and use that purple that we have. I'm just going to click the save button. All right, and as you can see, it immediately sets up a brand new profile. If I click in here, you will see that nothing is currently in the watch list or on an account list or a previously watched list. So again, this is a brand new, fresh setting for anybody in your family or on your account page to manage. Friends, I hope that's helped. If it has, would you guys hit that thumbs up button? It lets us know we're making helpful videos, and stay tuned because we've got a lot more HBO Max video tutorials coming up really soon. Thanks so much for watching.